Something is wrong with your digestion, but you're told it's normal. Bloating? Fatigue? Brain fog? Skin issues? Most people never link them to the gut. But the root of your problems is microscopic and reversible. Today, we'll expose 9 powerful foods and supplements that actively repair your gut from within. Welcome to Levitas. Are you experiencing any digestive problems? Leave a comment and any questions. Let's begin with one of the most powerful amino acids for gut restoration, glutamine. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in the human body, and a major fuel source for intestinal cells. When the gut lining becomes damaged due to chronic stress, processed food, alcohol, medications, or infections, it loses integrity and becomes permeable, what many call leaky gut. Glutamine works by tightening the junctions between intestinal cells, preventing unwanted particles from leaking into the bloodstream. A 2020 review in Nutrients found that glutamine supplementation significantly improved intestinal barrier function in both healthy individuals and those with gut inflammation. It also supports immune cells in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, helping regulate inflammation. Plus, glutamine enhances recovery from intestinal infections, surgery, and even chemotherapy. Whether from supplements or foods like eggs, beef, or bone broth, glutamine is a cornerstone nutrient for gut healing, especially in the early stages of recovery.
Want to burn fat and build muscle faster? I created a free science-backed supplements guide to boost your energy, fire up your T levels, and ignite your metabolism. No fluff, just results. Download the free guide now and start your body transformation today. Link in the description. This is how metabolic men optimize their stack.
Now, let's talk about probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that improve gut microbiome balance. They increase the presence of beneficial strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, crowding out harmful microbes. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Microbiology concluded that probiotics can reduce gut permeability, lower inflammation, and relieve symptoms of IBS and IBD. They're best taken with food or in fermented forms. But for probiotics to thrive, you need prebiotics. Prebiotics are fibers that feed your healthy bacteria. Foods like garlic, onions, unripe bananas, and asparagus are rich in inulin and fructooligosaccharides, which promote bacterial diversity. A 2019 study in Cell Host and Microbe showed that higher prebiotic intake was associated with stronger gut barrier integrity and improved insulin sensitivity. Prebiotics set the foundation for microbial balance. Now for one of the most effective dietary strategies, fermented foods. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and miso contain natural probiotics plus enzymes and acids that enhance digestion. A 2021 randomized trial published in Cell found that people who ate fermented foods daily for 10 weeks had increased microbiome diversity and decreased inflammatory markers. This is vital because inflammation often drives gut damage. Unlike isolated probiotics, fermented foods provide complex ecosystems of bacteria that better colonize the gut. Additionally, their fermentation process reduces anti-nutrients like phytates and improves nutrient bioavailability, making minerals like zinc and magnesium more absorbable. Regular consumption supports both the upper and lower GI tract, improving motility, bloating, and even mental health via the gut-brain axis. Incorporating fermented foods can drastically shift your gut terrain in a matter of weeks. Now let's look at something less talked about, short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids, especially butyrate, are produced when your gut bacteria ferment fibers. These compounds serve as fuel for colon cells, maintaining a healthy mucosal lining. A 2020 review in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that short-chain fatty acids regulate inflammation, strengthen tight junctions, and even reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Butyrate specifically increases the production of mucin, which acts as a lubricant and barrier between your gut lining and toxins. Short-chain fatty acids also support immune tolerance, reducing autoimmune reactivity to food antigens. Diets high in resistant starches, like cooked and cooled sweet potatoes, green bananas, and legumes, stimulate short-chain fatty acids production. Without sufficient fiber, your microbiome weakens, short-chain fatty acids levels drop, and the gut lining deteriorates. Prioritizing short-chain fatty acids production is one of the most effective ways to protect and repair your intestinal health.
Want to become a high-performance machine? Track your supplements, sleep, hydration, and fat-burning habits, all in one simple tool. This daily tracker keeps you consistent, focused, and results-driven. Download it free now and start operating like a metabolic pro. Real results come from what you track. Link in the description.
Now onto something fascinating, spermidine. Spermidine is a naturally occurring polyamine that has gained attention for its ability to promote cell renewal and autophagy, a cellular cleaning process essential for gut healing. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that dietary spermidine improves intestinal barrier function and enhances the health of the gut epithelium. Foods high in spermidine include wheat germ, aged cheese, organic soy products, mushrooms, and green peas. What makes spermidine unique is its role in promoting epithelial regeneration and stem cell activity, both of which are critical in restoring damaged gut lining. It also reduces oxidative stress and inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha. By supporting cell turnover and reducing inflammation, spermidine helps reverse gut damage from antibiotics, SAIDs, and poor diet. Though available in supplement form, consistent intake through food may offer synergistic benefits alongside other gut-healing nutrients. Let's move on to a key structural component, collagen. Collagen, especially type 2 and 3, supports gut wall integrity by providing essential amino acids like glycine and proline. These amino acids help rebuild the extracellular matrix of the intestinal lining. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that collagen supplementation improved gut permeability and reduced inflammatory cytokines in people with leaky gut. Bone broth, gelatin, and collagen peptides are great sources. Now let's talk about one of the most anti-inflammatory molecules available, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which extend directly to the gut lining. A 2021 study in gut microbes demonstrated that omega-3 supplementation increased levels of beneficial bacteria while reducing intestinal inflammation and gut permeability. Omega-3s also regulate the balance of pro- and anti-inflammatory eicosanoids, which are signaling molecules that affect gut immunity. Low omega-3 intake is associated with dysbiosis, increased risk of IBD, and poor gut recovery following antibiotic use. Fatty fish like sardines, salmon, and mackerel are ideal sources, though high-quality fish oil supplements can also be effective. Omega-3s modulate the gut-brain axis, improving both mood and cognition, which are often affected by poor gut health. For optimal gut healing, omega-3s are not optional, they're essential. And now, let's finish with something I bet you didn't expect, dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate, rich in polyphenols, supports the growth of beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. A 2020 study in molecular nutrition and food research found that cocoa flavonoids act as prebiotic-like compounds, enhancing microbial diversity and reducing gut inflammation. Dark chocolate also increases butyrate production, promoting a healthier colon lining. Choose varieties with 75% or more cacao, no sugar, and no milk additives.
Low energy, belly fat, weak drive? Most men eat 5 foods that quietly destroy T levels. My free guide shows you what to avoid and what to eat instead to reclaim your health, strength, and metabolism. Backed by science. Built for men. Download it free now. Your body will love you. Link in the description.
In conclusion, these 9 foods and supplements form a science-backed foundation for repairing and maintaining your gut, a system that influences everything from metabolism to mental health. Prioritizing them isn't just about digestion, it's about transforming your entire body from the inside out. Your gut health shapes your immunity, controls your inflammation, impacts your mood, and drives your metabolism. Supporting your gut with glutamine, probiotics, and prebiotics builds the foundation of a resilient microbiome. Fermented foods and short-chain fatty acids nourish beneficial bacteria, while spermidine and collagen reinforce your gut lining. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, and even dark chocolate contributes to microbial diversity. These gut-healing foods are not trends, they're evidence-backed tools to repair, protect, and optimize your digestive system. Whether you're struggling with bloating, brain fog, or metabolic issues, your gut might be the root, and now, you know how to fix it. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.